Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be cooking curry chicken with pumpkin in coconut milk served with white rice. So I'm gone ahead and peel my pumpkin and scrape my carrot. Those are the trash that you're seeing. And my chicken has been seasoned. I have also gone ahead and chopped up some seasonings, scallion, onion, garlic, ginger. That's in a foil paper, crush it, thyme and tomato, pepper and thyme. My pumpkin and carrot is also chopped. My pot is on the stove. I've added oil and garlic. Then I add my curry powder into the hot oil along with the garlic so I can burn my curry. So my curry is being burned. We burn curry to avoid running a belly or belly ache diarrhea from the curry. That's what they say. It's never happened to me. I am not sure of that theory. At this point, I'll add my chicken to the burnt curry. Do not burn your curry so that it gets dark. At this point, I'll be adding some turmeric to my curry. The turmeric helps to give the curry a brighter color, even though this curry is a very good curry. So I'm going to leave my pot to simmer, cover and simmer for a little while. I have gone ahead and get my coconut juice. This smell awesome, guys. So I'm going to stir. Make sure that the curry is and the turmeric is evenly distributed and the chicken on the chicken. I'm gonna add some water so the chicken can take its time and boil. Not gonna add too much water. Just gonna add a cup of water since I will be adding coconut milk to it also. We don't want to overcook our chicken. This chicken is grown organic. This chicken is an organic chicken, domestic chicken, locally grown. Here we call them the white fowl. And this curry is better pack curry. Sometimes this curry is so scarce. A lot of people love this curry. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add all my ingredients, my natural herbs and spice, my ginger, tomato, scallion, thyme, etc. This will give my chicken flavor. Look at it, guys, it's so beautiful. Add in my pumpkin and carrot also. So I will cover my pot and allow it to cook for a few minutes. It is cooking lovely, guys, cooking beautiful, smells good. Now I'm going to go ahead and strain my coconut that I have blended. The coconut will give it a lovely flavor. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my coconut milk. The smell is one to die for, guys. The smell is so good. You hear my dogs walking in the background. I have dogs, guys. They're like my watchman and my pet at the same time. So I will stir this. Stir it. Look at that milk. So creamy and nice. We're gonna have a lovely gravy. I have also gone ahead and cooked some white rice. So my curry will be served with white rice, my curry chicken, white rice and curry chicken. I wish I could let you taste it. My chicken is cooked, guys, and I'm gonna dish it out or serve some. It is beautiful and tasty too. Please do remember to like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment. Let me know what you want me to cook next. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed night. Thank you again for watching wherever you're watching from. Blessings. Love you guys. Have a great one. Cooking is nice. I just don't enjoy cutting up meat.